Okay, this is painting number 2 today. As you can see, there's already a mess on there. I decided to experiment with the paint that I had already mixed. So right now I'm using the Golden Ultramarine Blue. I'm using Teal by Golden. And I'm using this Extreme Sheen Metallic Gold, which is 24 karat gold. It's amazing. And then I'm using White Artist Loft mixed with this Silver Metallic Medium mixed with Deco Art Metallics Bright Silver. And then I added in some of this shimmer powder here, which is like almost gone, and my best friend. I love this shimmer. I don't know if you'll see it when it dries because I'm using the silver as part of the base. So I am just trying out something new. I don't know if it's going to work, so we'll see what happens. This is what I was looking for, and I really hope the end result is exactly what I dreamed it would be. So stay tuned for the end results. I hope it's what I wanted it to be.